You ready? Or you want to do it?
I'm not standing anywhere near that.
Wrong. Oh yeah, you're going. Okay.
It's tight. Center of the puller or the actual gear?
On the outside of the gear, I would think. You can't hit in the hub area. You can ring my bell. You have to go 50? Yeah. That's taut. I still think you're going to have to use heat, don't you? Bet money you're going to have to go get your weed burner. Take that ram and that plate off and start at the outside of the gear and just walk around it. Start heating that gear up until that hub gets up there about 100 degrees, 150, and then put her back in. I'll bet she'll pop. Worked for the cat. Keep going, man. Get her up there to 30. Every little thing scares me. You're gonna have to put the 50 in there. There it goes. Just needed some tonnage. Touching the floor yet? How far is that?
Probably an inch. Got a half inch to go.
Not gonna have enough threads to get it out, are we?
Just barely, I think.
All right, so we got the bearing off. You put an 1.25 inch bolt in here and it pushes on the edge of the bearing. It's a pretty tight fit, but anyway, that's the teeth on it. You know, surprisingly, it didn't tear any teeth off the pinion. That's amazing. Anyway, it's not supposed to come off that hard. The book shows a big plate, about 14 inches in diameter, that covered those 3 holes, and then it has a shoulder on it that goes here, and you just tighten those bolts and it's supposed to pop off. And Jake went down to Western. He bought 3 1/4-inch bolts to do that. They were $24 a piece for the bolts. Anyway, he couldn't get it off. Maybe if he'd heated it, who knows, but a little bit of heat works every time. It's quite amazing. But he said he Googled that number for the bearing, and depending on where you get it, it's anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000. And that's all the bigger it is. So anyway, he's got a new gear out here. He got, back east somewhere. They'd had it forever, but that's it right there. So let's see, he's just got to clean up that bearing, clean up that gear, and we'll have to probably pack that with dry ice and then heat the bearing and see if we can get it pushed on. We may have to get it set up in the press or get the hollow center jack and rig it up so we can push it on. Anyway, if you can get all that back together, it's really not that hard to get that final drive back in. Pretty simple. Anyway, it's Saturday, Memorial Weekend, and of course it's cloudy and windy. We really haven't had any rain yet, but see you later.